We're going to be talking about wire sculpture and brazing techniques and tools. All right, to begin with, as we look at doing our wire sculpture, we need to talk about some of the different kinds of wires that you might want to use. One of the popular ones that I like to use is copper wire. Right now, in today's prices, it's a little spendy, and if you're just starting out, or if, like I like to do, as I begin, I use just regular steel wire to be able to do a lot of maquettes or three-dimensional types of sketches before I go and spend the money on copper wire. You can go to your hardware store and you can get all different kinds of gauges, and wire is measured in gauges, not in inches or parts of inches. So you'll find that you'll be getting like 12 gauge or 10 gauge or different sizes of wire. The one thing you do want to watch out for, it's not impossible to work with this, but if you find shiny wire like this, it's galvanized usually, unless it's stainless, and then you're just you're dealing with some other issues. But the galvanized wire, when you heat it up with the torch, is going to put off some fumes that could make you sick, and not permanently, but it's kind of like having a bad hangover. So you don't really want that. So what I suggest for beginning and for doing your test runs and figuring out maybe what you're trying to accomplish is just plain mild steel wire. You can get it at the hardware store. A lot of times it's by the concrete. They use it in doing cement work. It does come with an oil on it. Will burn off. But those are the basic kinds of wires that are kind of fun to work with. I find that the mild steel has a lot of different capabilities and gives you a variety of things that you can do.